does Kitty go in the rain? Mommy, Mommy, where is my pet? Kitty's outside getting wet. Kitty will find a place that's dry. Let's look for Kitty. Want to try? Raindrops are falling on Mama Duck. She likes the wet and mushy mug. Rain won't scare a squirrel away. He stays busy on a rainy day. Brown Beetle's shell is shiny and hard. He doesn't mind a rainy yard. Worms are squirmy on wet ground. They squirm and wiggle all around. Under leaves, 2 butterflies rest. Keeping wings dry is what's best. Bird peeks out from a hole in a tree. He says, "Look, no rain on me." Mommy, Mommy, look at that. I think I spy my kitty cat. Clouds are gone, the sun is high. Here is my kitty, warm and dry.